Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at usernames and display names on Instagram, because although similar, they are actually different. You should treat them differently. Let's take a closer look. What is an Instagram username? Your username is the part that has an symbol in front of it. It's also included in the link to find your account in a web browser. Because this is a way for Instagram to identify your specific account, your username must be completely unique and different from everyone else's. If you try to use a username that has already been taken on Instagram, you won't be able to change it or register a new account until you have changed it to one that hasn't already been taken. You cannot add emojis or symbols to your Instagram username. You can only include numbers and letters, underscores, and full stops, or periods. You must remember this when putting words and letters together. The lack of spaces between words can sometimes make them read differently. Your username must be 30 characters or fewer. A username change isn't quite as straightforward as a display name change. If you have quite a large account, that reaches quite a lot of people, Instagram will want to review your username change before it is allowed to go ahead. Not only that, changing your username on Instagram will also change the link that takes people directly to your account, and the name that follows the symbol will change. You will need to update other websites and places if you change your username, ensuring that the new link contains your new name and not the old one still. When you edit your Instagram username, the app tells you that, in most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to what it was before you changed it for another 14 days. What is an Instagram display name? Your Instagram display name does not need to be unique like your username does. You can also throw emojis and other symbols into it, as well as capital letters and spaces. You can basically go wild with your Instagram display name, also known as profile name. Your Instagram display name is limited to a maximum of 30 characters, just like the username. You can only change your display name twice in one 14-day period. What's the difference between username and display name on Instagram? You can go nuts with your display name, but usernames aren't allowed to have emojis and other fun symbols and characters. If you change your username, your Instagram direct link will change. That's this link right here. As you can see, mine says, instagram.com/smmbeginners. My username is smmbeginners. If you change your username to something else, the new username will then be added to instagram.com to form your direct link. If you don't update wherever you've added your Instagram direct link, anyone clicking on it will be directed to a user not found page. Alternatively, once someone else has snapped up that username, anyone clicking on the old link will be taken to a new profile from someone else. If you are going to change your Instagram username, you must update all of the links elsewhere. This could include your website, blog, YouTube video descriptions, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. It looks terrible when a potential customer or follower clicks on one of your links and it's not working, or worse, directs them somewhere they're clearly not meant to be. It's unprofessional. If you change your display or profile name, and not your Instagram username, your direct link will not change. How are usernames and display names similar? Both your username and your display name on Instagram are searchable. This means that your account or content will come up when someone starts typing the combination of words or letters in your username and display name. Your username and display name should be similar, but different. Technically, you have two opportunities to get yourself in search results by using the right keywords. Marketing experts believe that you should use a slightly different variations of words and letters in the two names, username and display name. Double the keyword potential gives you double the chances of being discovered by other users, and potential customers, on the app. This is something I talk about in more detail in one of my previous videos, called Where to Use Keywords for Instagram SEO. There are more than 1 billion active monthly users on Instagram, so everything you do to make your account more searchable will benefit you. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.